To download an invoice from Hostinger, follow these steps. Log into Hostinger. Access your Hostinger account by logging in with your credentials on the Hostinger website. Navigate to Billing. Once logged in, go to the account dashboard or profile settings. Look for the Billing or Invoices section. Locate the invoice. In the Billing or Invoices section, you should see a list of your invoices or billing history. Select the invoice. Find the specific invoice you want to download. Invoices are usually listed chronologically with details such as invoice number, date, and amount. Download the invoice. Click on the invoice number or an option that allows you to view or download the invoice as a PDF or other format. Hostinger typically provides an option to download invoices directly from their platform. Save the invoice. Once opened, use your browser's download function or the provided download button to save the invoice to your computer. Review and print. Open the downloaded invoice to review its contents. If you need a hard copy for record keeping or reimbursement purposes, you can print it directly from your computer.